Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Nissan Altima side mirror. Before we begin, it's important to gather your tools. You'll typically need a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket wrench, and possibly a trim removal tool. Make sure your replacement mirror is the correct one for your vehicle. Always prioritize safety by parking on a level surface and engaging your parking brake before starting any work. Now let's get to removing the door panel. Start by carefully prying off the small cover behind the inner door handle with a flathead screwdriver. You'll find a 10mm bolt there. Next, remove any other 10mm bolts, often one located underneath the window control switch. Then, using a plastic trim tool, gently pry the door panel away from the door, working your way around the edges to release the clips. With the door panel loose, you can now access the mirror's connections. First, disconnect the electrical wiring harness that powers your mirror's functions. This usually involves pressing a small tab and pulling. Next, locate and unscrew the three 10mm nuts that hold the old mirror in place. Once these nuts are removed, you can carefully pull the damaged mirror away from the door frame, making sure no wires snag. To install your new mirror, simply reverse the removal process. Place the new mirror into the opening and hand-tighten the three 10mm nuts, then secure them with your wrench. Reconnect the electrical wiring harness, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Before fully reassembling, test all mirror functions, like power adjustment and turn signals, to confirm everything works correctly. Finally, reattach the door panel and replace all bolts and covers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.